Hi and welcome to another Your Mind, Your World product introductory video. My name is Martin, I'm founder of the brand, and today I'm very excited because we're gonna be speaking about Chameleon X model batteries. So if you purchased or if you're thinking about purchasing any Chameleon X model, this is how the battery works, how it connects. I will show you all the features and other things. So let's dive right into it. Now, let me tell you about Chameleon X batteries and how they are powered. So, every Chameleon X product is powered by two batteries for a simple reason. One battery powers the top, one battery powers the bottom. So, by pressing once, you turn the battery on. By pressing once, you turn the battery on. By pressing twice, you turn the battery off. Now, more details about the battery. So you can see the charge indicator on the battery. This battery is charged 75%. When it goes down, the number goes down. Very simple and easy to understand. Now, let me tell you about the ports on the battery. There are two USB ports on the battery, and these are only outputs. You can plug your garment in any one of them to be powered. Okay, so here or in the other one. You power it with, and this is important, you power it with metallic parts facing to you, front of the battery, sliding it in the second or the back slider or port in the port. So make sure you never charge through USB ports because these are only outputs and they would burn the battery. Okay? So you charge the battery either through micro USB cable, which is right here. The port is right here, charging port, micro USB, or there is another one, and that's a USB-C port right here. Visible? There is a USB-C port. What I can do is actually, I'm gonna light it for you. There. You see, this is the USB-C port on this side. This is the fast charging port. It's better to charge through USB-C port than micro USB because micro USB is slower. And on the other side, it's a power button by pressing which you turn the battery on, turn it off by pressing 2 times, turning it on by pressing once, or if you press and hold, you will turn the lights. If you need them, if you are in the dark, in emergency, you can use these lights as well, like on a battery. So now, on the back of the battery, there is a QR code. If you scan it, you get to my website and you can get to download the app, or you can read the product manual on that page. So I think it's very useful. I think this is everything you need to know about the battery. Now we're gonna get to mobile app that controls this garment. Now let me show you how the mobile app works and how you connect garment to it. So there are two batteries. When you turn the mobile app on, the app is called LED cord. When you turn it on, you will find all the Bluetooth devices that you have. I already have two batteries that are connected, black bottom and black top. So let me just click on black top. Now, when I clicked on it, it was selected, and you can actually control the battery from the app as well. You can turn it off or you can turn it on by pressing the button. By holding the name, you can rename the battery to whatever you want. We're not gonna rename it because I already renamed it. So now we just enter and we get to the main interface. As you can see, you have a wheel, color wheel with 180 presets. You can scroll through them and play with them. Every single preset has some different colors, features. So you can just browse through them and see which one you like the most, and you can, by pressing on them, you can put them in your favorites. So the Chameleon X is, or Chameleon Colors is settings number 1. Let me get back to number 1. Now, okay, here, 3, 2, 1. That's the Chameleon X. That is a multicolor. Now, you can also set single color by pressing or sliding this bar or pressing any of these preset buttons. Yeah? So like right now, we have the tab red and the bottom is Chameleon X. So if we go to bottom battery and we also select the red, this way we have one single color on the whole garment. We can change colors, one color on top and one color on bottom, like for example, like now setting the white color on the bottom and the red color on top. You can play with it and find what suits you the best. If you click again on this, you see, like if you click this button right here, you will get to a color wheel to control the settings from the color wheel presets again. So now let's go to black top. There. From here we are back at solid color. Like I said, you can change it to any solid color you want, either from these presets or by pressing, or not pressing, by sliding the slider. And if you want to exit and go to multicolor presets, you just press the solid and you get back to the color wheel where you can, I'm changing it for opposite sides, so it's kind of like challenging for me, but there is nothing really challenging there. So you have 180 presets. So basically you can preset garment 180 presets for top, 180 presets for bottom. If you multiply it, it's 36,000 presets. And then you can preset, like you can preset single color for the bottom and then any of 180 presets that gives you another like hundreds, like thousands and thousands of presets. So you can really play with it, and I think that you have so many options that you can be happy with what you got. So now, the sliders on the bottom, the one that I'm moving on the top, it shows, you see, on the garment, is the intensity of the brightness. So that's a brightness slider. I keep it all the way up. And also, the second one beneath is speed of the mode. So if the color changes, for example, let's go like here. Now, with the slider, you can control the speed of the sequence. So that's pretty interesting as well. The bottom slider is not useful for multicolor presets. So there you go. Now, another cool feature that is on the bottom, it's kind of hidden in the bottom menu, it's a live mic feature. You see, now the garment is reacting to my voice. You can set different presets or see different colors for the sound activated presets. Now we set up the sound activated presets for the top part. You can also activate the live mic feature for the bottom, and then like you have again hundreds and hundreds of presets, and you can set it to different settings, and then the bottom will be react to the settings that you set it to, and the top will independently react to the presets that you set the top for. I'm trying to speak loud so the microphone pick up the noise or my voice voice noise, and you can see how this feature works. So let's go back to solid color. You can actually, by pressing and holding preset, you can just pressing the preset, you can save it to your favorites. Now, let me set it also here again, one more time. So now we have a full chameleon on the garment, and guys, I think that is enough what I wanted to show you. It's a lot of presets, a lot of color changing modes. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or your comments or your thoughts. I will be happy to hear them. And again, one more time, I want to thank all my customers that have been supporting me and my team doing this business, sharing the light with the world through our fiber optic fashion, because without you, we would not be able to be here. And we've been doing this for over 10 years. So it's pretty impressive and exciting, and I'm super excited about this amazing newest, world's first dual lighting multicolor fiber optic fashion items that we're just creating. Those that you see on me, they will be available for Kickstarter, because this is a Kickstarter project, but they are using the features for the lighting system that all my Chameleon X models use. So if you have, or if you are planning on purchasing any Chameleon X product, it will have all these features that this item has. So thank you guys again for watching, for your support, for your love, and let's light up the world. Thank you guys so much.